From Treasure Real Estate we present you this unique house in El Romeral, Molina de Segura. 2 houses in one, nature and design in detail. We present this recently renovated jewel, ideal for those seeking spaciousness, independence and connection with nature without sacrificing comfort. This property is divided into 2 independent houses, perfect for large families, guests or even as a rental investment. Small diamond main floor. An elegant home with separate kitchen, a spacious living room, 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, all with a careful reform and ready to move in. Small diamond ground floor, adapted, a versatile space where garage area is combined with living room with open kitchen, wine cellar, laundry and direct access to the outside. Ideal as a second home, guest house or leisure space. But what is truly special begins when you walk through the door. Sparkles outside a dream environment awaits you. Large swimming pool surrounded by impeccable landscaped areas. Wooden walkway over a small river with waterfall, which brings a magical touch to the garden. Picnic area with pergola, perfect for al fresco meals and family gatherings. Additional land in the lower part, ideal for agriculture or to create your own organic garden. A home where quality of life is breathed in every corner. Pushpin sold as is, with all the charm you see in the pictures and much more to discover. Translated with deepl.com, free version.